everyone, welcome. This is the Diva Den. My name is Kelly and I like to talk all things home related, whether it's cooking, cleaning, organizing, DIY projects. I like to try it all. So today I thought I would share with you one of my favorite banana bread recipes. I love Pinterest. It is a fabulous resource of information on all kinds of subjects. So I love browsing for cooking and baking recipes, and I stumbled across this one recipe for banana bread, and I have to say I've been making banana bread a long time, but this recipe is so good. It just always seems to make the perfect banana bread. So I thought I'd share that with you today. So it's from a website called Simply Recipes, and I'm going to leave the link below in case you're interested in checking it out. But what I'd like to know from you in the comments below, do you have a favorite recipe that you found on Pinterest and you absolutely love? What do you like to look at? What do you like to search for in the recipe sections? Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be making banana bread now, and I will leave the link below where I got this recipe if you're interested in grabbing it for yourself. So I'm going to get my apron and let's get baking. Okay, so the ingredients you're going to need for this banana bread are 1 egg, some flour, sugar, some vanilla, some baking soda, a 1/3 cup of melted butter, and of course, bananas. And see, mine are at the perfect stage for banana bread. Now, optional, you've probably noticed hiding behind the vanilla are some chocolate chips. My family love their chocolate chips. So, I haven't decided if I'll put them in this one, but there we go. So, let's get going. See how easy that was to make that banana bread. It was actually one bowl, which I really love. I wish you could smell the house right now. It smells so good, and I've got my daughter and my husband chomping at the bit to cut into this bad boy. So I hope if you like this video, you'll give it a thumbs up, and before you go, you'll subscribe to that red button below and become a diva. I'd love to have you join the family. And like I mentioned earlier, please leave in the comments below if you have a favorite Pinterest recipe. I'd love to know what you guys are looking up on Pinterest. And until next week, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye, you guys.